G'day and welcome to another micro vlog. It occurred to me yesterday there's a little tip that maybe not everyone knows, and that's if you have ceiling fans, and this is pretty well any ceiling fan. Some of ours are really old. There are two settings, one for winter, one for summer. And what you do, you simply switch that switch to the other position. Now I admit in winter I've never noticed much difference, but in summer definitely, when you hit that switch down, you'll definitely feel the air blowing on you rather than sucking away from you. As it is in the winter position. So try that, it's free, and yeah, please feel free to subscribe if you haven't, and click the little bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos when they're up. Alright, see ya.